hiccups. He's looking right at me, too.
Want to give you hiccups? Hmm?
Means I'm growing, Dad.
Oh. That's a good one right there.
Hey, brothers.
No, I ain't got one of them things. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. They are annoying, aren't they? Aren't they? You're ready to eat again. I could tell.
Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. Look at that look. Look at that look. He's scowling.